Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number K1038. This is a 707 brass look economy kick plate. The 707 is the finish. It means brass look over an aluminum base material. And there is, I'm trying to peel it off, a peel away protective film that will allow you to see the brass finish on an aluminum base material. Why would you want brass look or brass over aluminum? Because of the cost. Aluminum is far less expensive than solid brass that you would put a polished finish and then a lacquer over. So an aluminum based material will give you a nice brass look with the cost of aluminum, the cost savings of aluminum. Furthermore, this is an economy plate because it's a K1038, which means that the material thickness is .038 thick rather than the standard 50 thousandths, .050 thick. So it's thinner than standard. Okay, that gauge, that 038, .038, which means it's just thicker than a 32nd of an inch, is synonymous with economy grade, thin grade, residential duty. The 050 is a standard commercial caliber thickness, which you'll see everywhere. You can get plates that are thicker, like 1/8 of an inch, as well, in both architectural metals and plastic as well. But .050 is more common. For residential use, there's nothing wrong with a 38 thousandths. This happens to be a 6x38, and kick plates are the opposite of doors, where you call out the height first, or I should say, they're the same as hinges. I feel like I said 6x38. I don't know what I said. This plate happens to be 6x26 is the actual size for this plate. Okay. Client has some smaller French doors leading out to a patio, 28-inch in size, so a 26-inch plate is ideal. There is data down below this video in the extended description. Economy duty mop plate. I would still call it a kick plate because it's 6-inch tall. Mop plates might be, no, forgive me, it is a mop plate. In your mind's eye, figure a mop and then hitting the door unintentionally with the mop. A 6-inch tall would be a mop plate. A 4-inch height would be what's called a stretcher plate, and that's installed on the center of a door, or at least at the height where a stretcher would hit it. And then kick plates are 8 to 12-inch, don't quote me, maybe 14-inch. Above that, they become armor plates, where they're 18 or 24 or 30-inch or taller, and then whatever the width is. Aluminum base material with a brass look, anodized. Fasteners are going to be included, which will be 6x5/8 oval head sheet metal screws that have an undercut head to them so that they can fit appropriately on the thin gauge of the material. And again, that surface that you see, that scratch surface, that's just the peel away protective film. Normally you would order a plate 2 inches less than the door width. There's no rule that yours has to be 2-inch less, but that's fairly common. Keep in mind when you're adding plates, if you have any other hardware like weather stripping that might be impacted, or a kick-down door holder, or some other type of hardware. There is a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure, where you can quite easily review not only all of the kick plates in an overview sense of the 1038 thickness, or the 038 thickness, but the 050 thickness as well, the more common version. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Rockwood, their part number K1038, aluminum base material brass look, which is a 707 finish, and of course it's available in all the sizes that you would need, from small stretcher plates to armor plates. If you're doing an armor plate, you probably don't want a 38 thousandths of an inch plate. You want something more durable. Or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.